Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to leave a publication on Medium, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first you have to go to your profile, click here and then click on the manage publications. And you can see that I am a writer for 3 publications, and if I would like to leave one of these publications, then I have to click, or you have to click on this arrow and then click on the leave publication. But I mean there are other options here in the publication section, the following, so you can unfollow publication or follow publication as well. And if you want to see new publications, click here, but you have to be a member on Medium, so you have to purchase a plan, monthly or annual, and after that you can see other publications as well, and not just see but to become a writer for those publications, and then in that way you can earn money. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.